Okay, now what we need to do? I don't know. Okay, now let's add bottom navigation bar. Okay, so like we have inside a scaffold, we have app bar, floating boarding and drawer, and we also have a bottom nav bar, bottom navigation bar. And inside a bottom navigation bar, we need bottom nav bar, and bottom nav bar needs some bottom nav bar items. Bottom nav bar item, and bottom nav bar item need icons. Icons dot home. Okay. Oh, what I read it home. Yes, and let's add some comma. Now it is showing the error because we need to add at least two icons. Okay, two bottom navigation bar items, home and other one like account person. Okay, and we can add another. Let's add a third one, person, and let's add notification. Okay, notifications. Okay, now we also add some labels for this home, and for this we need to add a label like account, and for this label like notifications. Okay, now I think this error will be gone. Now what is the problem here? Let me first fix whatever problem we have here. We have items. Now what problem we are getting? Bottom navigation bar failed assertion line 199 position item dot every bottom navigation bar item dot label not equal to null. Every item must have null label. Okay, now every icon has the label. Okay, it was taking time to reload, that's why I was thinking what is the error. Now you can see we have the home, account and notification. Bottom navigation bar is created successfully. Okay, let's add constant modifier. Yes, now all the errors and warning are gone. But on clicking on this we are seeing nothing. Okay, let's make it working. Okay, for this we need to do some more things, but okay, now let's start doing the stateful visit. We have doing the stateless visit. Now it's time to do some stateful visit. Okay, what is it? What is the thing stateful visit? Like on clicking on this button, I want to change the content of this body, so I want to see another thing. Clicking on notification, I want to see another thing. So for this type of purpose we need to have a stateful widget. So first I am going to make it, just click on the stateless and click control dot. You will get the convert to stateful widget, or you can just hover over it and right click, and here you can find in refactor, convert to stateful widget. Okay, now it is a stateful widget. Now we can write some state code. So let's first make index variable to 0, and for what this index is to, like, first we have index 0 1 and 3 for the bottom navbar. So I am going to make it int. Okay, and I am going to minimize the body, minimize drawer, minimize floating action button, minimize the app bar. Okay, so we don't have to see all of this code again and again. And what we can do, okay, let's first do some refactoring. Okay, here we have app bar code written here, so I am going to remove it from here. Extract local extract widget. Okay, extract widget, I am going to name it my app bar. Okay, now we have my app bar. My app bar. Now what is the problem here? App bar, my app bar. My app bar can't assign to the parameter type preferred sized widget. And what we have to do? Why it is happening? Okay, no problem. I can't make it like this way. Okay, but we can do it another way. Create a method, local method, my app bar. Now it will work. Okay, yes. And I'm going to do the same thing for all of this. Extract method, my fab, floating action button, and for drawer, I am going to do it same. My drawer. And for body, I have another plan. I am going to show you later. Now let's minimize all of these functions. Yes, nothing is going to change, but now our code is more cleaner. Okay, now what we are doing, yes, index equal to 0. So I am going to add the selected index. Selected index, current index is equal to index. Okay, I am going to make this variable private. Y name adding underscore in front of it. Okay, what is it? Why it is not renamed? Yes, now it is renamed. And now what we need to do, on change, on tap, we will get the index value. And what I am going to do, I am going to do the set state. I am going to change the state to index is equal to value. Okay, what is going to do, it will do, on whatever I will click, it will make the index value to that value, and this value will be current index, so it will change okay, did you get it? On tab I am changing the index value to whatever value I clicked on. So, and this value is referred to current index, so whatever is the value of index, it will showing as the selected. Okay, so this is how it is working. What the body is still not changing. Okay, So for making it, what we need to do, we need three screens. Three screen in the body section, okay? Home and account and notification. So this screen I am going to rename it as home. So control that, extract visit as home tab. Okay, now we have a home tab, and I am going to create two more tab. Stateless visit, other name is account tab. Account tab, and I am just going to return in the center child text account. Okay, and I am going to duplicate it with name notification. Notifications tab. Okay, now we have three different tabs. We can move all of these different widgets to into their own files. I will do it later, but first let's make it working. So here in the body, instead of showing the home tab, I need to show different all these three tabs based on the value of the index. So for making this, I am going to first make a list. List of what? List of all of these tabs, like home tab. Okay, then I have account tab, then I have notification tab. Okay, I am going to store it inside a tabs variable. Okay, a list of widgets. Okay, so now I have list of widget, I have three tabs, and here instead of showing the tabs, I am going to show the tabs based on the index value. So if the index is 0, then we will show the account tab. Index is 1, account tab. Index is 2, notification tab. So let's save it and click on the account tab. Here we are saying the account tab. Now we have the notification tab. Now we have the home tab. Like this we can. Now the our navigation bar, bottom navigation bar is completely working. Okay. So now what I am going to do? Yes. Now I am going to all of these things I am going to move into their own files. So like in the home tab we need to do vary some things, whatever we need to do. In account tab we need to do different things. In notification tab we need to do different things. So if we do all of these things in the single file, then this file will become very large and it will be very hard to do, how to do, where the code is, and how to manage all of this. So we need to move these files into the different files itself. Okay, so let's in the live create a new file. I am going to create a file called tabs. Okay, inside tabs I am going to add three files: home underscore tab dot dart file. Okay, so and I am going to add one more file, account underscore tab dot dart, and one more file, notifications underscore tab dot dart file. Do you get it what we are doing? Yes, we are going to remove the home tab code from here and move it here. Save it, and the account tab code, remove it from here, move it here, save it, and notification tab code remove from here and move it here and save it. Now we have some errors. Okay, first we have errors here. These three widgets are not part of this file, so we need to import it from these files. Press control dot, then you will get these options. We have these files in the tab/home tab dart. Okay, and import it and import this file as well. Control dot tab dot notification dot tab, and this file is importing here. You can see it. You can directly write these things here, or you can just go over the sum tab and click on control dot, then you will get it. Okay, now save this file. But now we have more errors on these files, because in this file we didn't import the material package. Okay, so just click on the stateless widget, click control dot, we need to import the material package. Save it, import the material package here as well. Save it, import the material package, Flutter material package here, and save it. And now our app is working like before. But now we have three different files to manage different tabs. Okay, so this is good.